So is that a Heroes Battlegrounds update I see? Ooh, wait, let's check out the update log. All right, so we got Human Architect, Stone Weaponry, and new move Conjure with variants. Stone Weaponry, dash forward and slash the enemy hitting them to your right. Conjure, perform an attack based on the move you last used recently. This has 4 different variants. Huh, interesting. New limited time emote, 7th Hall and Devil's Dance. 7th Hall is a kill emote and Devil's Dance is a regular emote. 18 new emotes, 4 new kill emotes. Combat non-grab moves are now burstable. Renovations, damage, nerfs, nerfs. Ooh, 2 free emotes. All right, anyways, wait, first off, code. Where am I to? Nope. Wait, do I have to do exclamation mark code? Anyways, let's check out these new moves. Oh. Actually has a spawn animation. All right, so we have wait, I have volume, right? Okay. Oh, these are the they gave him color on his M1s. That's nice. All right, anyways, Stone Weaponry, you dash forward. Ooh, I like that. Wait, I wonder if I can do that on a downed opponent. Okay, you can do that on a downed opponent, and that combo extends. Okay, I like that. And then we have Conjure. This changes based off of what I used last time. All right, let's see. If I do Dirty Work and then I do Conjure. Oh, wait. Let me. Oh, wait. I think this is just Raw Conjure. Okay, this is Raw Conjure. If I do Dirty Work, then I do Conjure. Oh, I like that. Okay, so you run to them, you stab them, and then you throw a spear at the end. Then if I do Renovation and then Conjure. Okay. Wait, do they bounce on these spikes? Let me see. Ooh, all 3 spikes hit? That's nasty. And then if I go Stone Weaponry into Conjure. Oh, wait. So it just gives you the Mank. Oh, what the broken? Mank. Ooh. Okay, I like that. And I don't think we got any new finishers, right? Yeah, we didn't get any finishers. Let's see if Stone Weaponry has one. Yeah, no new finishers. So those will probably come in the next update. But his base is finished, so that's pretty nice. Let me see if I can workshop a combo real quick. All right. Ooh, calm little 87% combo. There's definitely going to be a one-shot combo somewhere, but that's the combo I will use for this video. Anyways, and obviously Flesh Chimera doesn't work yet. But anyways, let's go ahead and take it to a public server. Actually, let me buy that new emote. Usually I'm not the type of guy to buy a new emote, but I might as well. Oh, okay. Wait a minute. Ooh. Oh, wait a minute. Hey. Oh. Hey. Oh my. Oh. Is that the king? Ooh. Ooh. That was beautiful. Ooh, the king of pop is here. What the heck? That was nice. I won't lie. That was nice. Anyways. I'm gonna kill somebody before I check out the kill emote. Mink. Oh my god. No, stop. Oh, give me that. Weave. Goodbye. Oh, huh? How does a front dash hit me when I'm that high? There we go. Bro, I didn't equip it. Bruh. Hey. Hey. Hey, you see it? You see it? Ooh. Hey. 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 This fighting don't matter to me. Hey. What you know about? Hey. Ooh, that clean little moonwalk. King of pop, baby. Oh, this is what it looks like from the outside. You will pay for interrupting his dance. Oh, yep, nope. You're dying. What if I just raw conjure? You think it'll hit? It hit. All right, let's see. 7th hell. Oh, what is that one of my friends? What is this? Yo? What is this? Huh? Yo? Oh, is this the... What did I just... Wow. Like, I want to see if it's a different friend every time. Mink! Oh, yeah, come here, yo. What? Aw. Unfortunate. Come here. What? Bro! I was trying to... Alright, why is there Down Syndrome Metal Sonic on me? I wanted to do that. Oh, you're cooked. Oh, you're cooked. Let me get my hands on you. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait, you're already dead. Matter of fact, wait, come here. Oh, yeah, it is a random person. Ah, okay. So they stand up, the other person dips. And it's time to finish it. Wow. Aww. Hey. We be taking those. We be taking those. All right, there we go. I ran out of storage midway through my recording, and this guy was like I don't know, but he killed me, bro. He popped his awakening midway through the fight, and then got a full health back, and then I died. We don't talk about it. Where's my food? About those fries. Ooh. Oh. Next time, Deku, put the fries in the bag. Otherwise, we gotta do this the hard way. Served cold. Bye. Eek. Next time, I don't know. Just serve me correctly, gang. Just serve me correctly. Anyways, guys, that's it for the video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.